Did you know that your cat's coat color might offer clues about their personality? For generations, people have connected certain behaviors to fur colors, but is there any truth behind it? Today, we'll dive into the fascinating science and genetics behind cat coat colors and explore how they might reflect more than just appearance. You might be surprised by what you learn. Black cats. Picture a black cat gracefully moving through your home. Mysterious, elegant, and a little ghostly. While many cultures have linked them to superstition or bad luck, those who've had the privilege of living with one know they're far more than a myth. Black fur isn't limited to one breed. Many breeds can carry this color. It comes from high melanin levels, and interestingly, their fur may develop a rusty hue if they lack certain nutrients or get too much sun. These cats are often independent, observant, and cautious, watching the world carefully before jumping in. Yet beneath that cool exterior lies a deeply loyal, loving companion. Genetically, black cats have mutations that make them more resilient to certain illnesses. This may be one reason why they've thrived through history, earning a quiet strength and mystery that sets them apart. Orange cats. Now imagine a fiery orange cat zooming through your living room, full of energy and charm. These cats are the social butterflies of the feline world, friendly, playful, and often a bit mischievous. Most orange cats are male because the gene responsible for orange fur is carried on the X chromosome. Males only need one copy to show this color, which is why orange males are far more common than females. Their personality often reflects their color: bold, warm, and attention-seeking. Many owners say their orange cats are affectionate and outgoing, traits believed to come from both genetics and early experiences. Tricolor cats. With coats splashed in black, white, and orange, calicos and tortoiseshells are showstoppers, and they know it. These cats are known for big personalities, clever, independent, and sometimes a bit bossy. Almost all tricolors are female due to the need for two X chromosomes to create their unique coloring. Males with this coat are extremely rare and usually sterile. These cats are often strong-willed and fiercely loyal to their humans. Their distinctive fur patterns come from a process called X chromosome inactivation, which randomly switches off one X in each cell, creating that patchwork look. They're confident, smart, and often take charge, but on their terms. White cats. White cats, with coats as pure as snow, carry an air of calm and quiet beauty. They may seem shy at first, but once they trust you, the bond runs deep. Their stunning white coat is caused by the dominant W gene, which also links to deafness, especially in white cats with blue eyes. Despite this, they adapt well, using visual cues, vibrations, and sharp awareness to connect with their environment. Some even have heterochromia, two different colored eyes, caused by how pigment cells migrate during development. These traits make white cats truly special, both in appearance and in spirit. Tuxedo cats. Wearing a black and white coat that resembles a tiny tuxedo, these cats always look dressed for a formal occasion. But their personalities are anything but stiff. Tuxedo cats are outgoing, playful, and often the class clowns of the household. Their piebald coat is the result of pigment cells being unevenly distributed during development. While science hasn't confirmed a direct link between their coat and behavior, many owners say tuxedo cats are charismatic, adaptable, and great at bonding with both people and other pets. Some even call them feline diplomats because of how well they get along in social situations. Tabby cats. Tabby cats are the most common, but also among the most curious and spirited. Their stripes, swirls, or spots make them look like miniature wildcats, and their personalities are just as bold. These cats are natural explorers, always on the move, always investigating. Their patterns come from the agouti gene, a piece of ancient feline DNA dating back to the first domesticated cats. Many tabby cats have an M on their forehead, tied to ancient legends and religious stories. Whether lounging or leaping, tabbies are always watching, learning, and staying one step ahead. Gray or blue cats. Gray cats, often referred to as blue, in the cat world, are calm, soft, and sweet by nature. With their velvety fur and serene eyes, they bring a sense of peace wherever they go. Their color comes from a dilution gene that softens black pigment into gray. Some studies suggest that cats with this gene may be more relaxed and less anxious. They form strong, quiet bonds with their people and prefer peaceful company over chaos. Interestingly, their fur tends to be softer in texture too, making them irresistible to touch and to love. Siamese or colorpoint cats. These cats are sleek, vocal, and full of character. With cream-colored coats, dark extremities, and piercing blue eyes, Siamese cats are impossible to ignore. They love being around people and have no problem making their voices heard. Their distinct pattern comes from the Himalayan gene, which makes the cooler parts of their body, like their ears, paws, and tail, darker in color. These cats are expressive, interactive, and thrive on attention. Even their eye color is unique. The blue results from a lack of pigment, causing light to reflect in a brilliant way. They're not just pets, they're chatty companions with stories to tell. Bengal cats. Now let's talk about Bengals, one of the most stunning and energetic cat breeds around. With coats that resemble miniature leopards, Bengals are strong, active, and incredibly smart. They were bred from a mix of domestic cats and Asian leopard cats, and you can still see the wild instincts in how they play, jump, and explore. These cats love to climb, fetch, and even splash in water. They need stimulation and thrive in homes where they get plenty of attention and interaction. Bengals are also known for their glittering coats. Yes, some shimmer in the light thanks to special genes. They're highly vocal and form deep bonds with their humans, often communicating with chirps and unique meows. If you want a cat that's playful, beautiful, and full of personality, Bengals are in a league of their own. Your cat's coat color may do more than turn heads. It might hint at their personality, instincts, or even genetic advantages. While color alone doesn't define a cat, science shows there's often a fascinating connection between appearance and behavior. What about your cat? What color are they, and do they match what we've talked about today? Leave a comment and let us know. We'd love to hear your story. And if you want to learn how to tell when your cat is truly happy and healthy, check out our next video, where we explore the signs of a thriving, content feline. Thanks for watching, and see you next time, cat lovers.